Welcome to Disneyland's Fantasyland, where fairy tales come to life. In today's walking tour, we'll explore the magical realms inspired by your favorite Disney stories. From the enchanting storybook land to the whimsical Mad Tea Party, we'll immerse ourselves in the charm and wonder that make Fantasyland a beloved destination for visitors of all ages. Along the way, we'll discover hidden gems, meet some beloved characters, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere that defines this enchanting land. Our journey culminates with a ride on the iconic It's a Small World attraction, where we'll embark on a musical tour celebrating the unity and diversity of cultures around the globe. So, lace up your walking shoes, grab your Mickey ears, and let's dive into the fantastical world of Disneyland's Fantasyland.
Oh my God. Mom, we're going boating with my son. 5 minutes.
Captain Jack Sparrow hat.
That's where we'll go later, okay? We're going to go.
As we conclude our enchanting walking tour of Fantasyland, we're about to experience one of Disneyland's most iconic attractions, It's a Small World. This delightful ride, originally created for the 1964-65 New York World's Fair, was designed by Disney legends Mary Blair and the Sherman Brothers, who composed its unforgettable theme song. It's a Small World features over 300 animatronic dolls representing cultures from around the globe, all singing in harmony to remind us of the beauty of unity and diversity. Here are a few lesser-known facts about this beloved ride. Did you know that the facade's clock tower displays a parade of 24 animated figures every quarter hour? And, during the holiday season, It's a Small World transforms into a festive wonderland with a seasonal soundtrack and over 50,000 twinkling lights. Plus, look closely, and you might spot some Disney character dolls subtly integrated into the different scenes, such as Ariel in the ocean section and Woody in the American West. Thank you for joining me on this magical tour of Fantasyland. I hope you enjoyed discovering the charm and wonder of this enchanting realm. Now, let's sit back, relax, and set sail on It's a Small World. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Disney adventures. See you next time.
And you are asked to listen more. Thank you. ボートが完全に止まり、予定していただく指示が出されるまでは席を立たないでください。